what was I saying? The colour of your front door is a reflection of your personality. It's a great place for you to get creative, be bold, but I'm going to talk you through the psychology behind the colours and what that says about the person that lives behind them. Pink front door. This personality type is very creative, they're welcoming, they're going to be like a very nurturing home. A homely person would live behind a pink door, but also what I love about them is they're probably quite mischievous. Oh, bless her, there's people in all these houses. And now you've got the yellow front door. This person is ray of sunshine, optimistic, imagine a queue out the front. This person is the perfect host, incredibly welcoming and wants to have you in for a cup of tea. Okay, grey front door. Personality that lives behind a grey front door. This person is a bit more sincere, they're sophisticated, they might take life a little bit more seriously, but they're probably, like you can tell here, quite elegant. Personality behind a blue front door. This person's relaxed, they're easygoing, family vibes. This is like the perfect Sunday lunch household. Now we come on to the wholesome household. Green front doors. This person is wholesome, you're comforting, you're more relaxed. You're basically a sourdough on a Sunday morning.
Tash loves a Sunday morning.
Okay, your white front door. This is someone that's very clean, it's very peaceful. It's a clean and tidy household that lives behind that door. You do the cutlery. Purple front door. This person knows who they are. They connect to their inner selves and can also be quite spiritual. Like, you know when you're just like overthinking all the doors? Light blue or dark blue doors, either way you're zen. The darker blue hints at intelligence and you're ultra peaceful. Okay, hold on. I mean, if this had a door, this person, he would text you back. Good communication. That's the money shot. That's what it is. Your black front door. So this person is bold, they're classy, they're elegant, but like you can see here, they have a very strong sense of style. There's so many doors, like, so many. So, the red front door. Red is the colour to command attention. It's the person who wants to stand out in a room. This person, I can imagine also being a little bit passionate, but also a bit cheeky. Finally, this front door, I mean, that guy knows how to have a good time. Let's just say that. I mean, I'm going in there for cocktails on a Friday. Whatever colour your front door is, it should reflect your personality and it should bring your street a bit of joy. Click and subscribe for more how-to videos, more advice on colour and styling. Subscribe. Oh, sorry, I wanted to put that at the end. Damn it. It's always the first take's the best.